Hey everybody, it's Dave with Projector People back today to show off something a little bit different. It's not a projector, but it works with projectors. This is a collaboration device and it's by Optoma and it's called the QuickCast Pro. This is the 4K starter kit that I have in front of me. And what is this for, you ask? This solves a problem that pretty much everybody who's ever used a conference room has had, and that is, how do I connect to the device that I want to display my content on? Where are the cables? What do I need to do with it? Do I need to download anything? So if you've ever used or been in a situation like that where you need to present a PowerPoint or whatever the case may be, typically you'll have to have some device, you have to download the software to your device, install it. You're wasting time here. The other option is you hunt down a cable that's connected to a device, hope that your device connects with that cable, that it's a similar format, and you're off and running to the races. 99% of the time, we're spending 10 minutes early in these meetings to resolve all those issues. This solves that problem, basically. What this is a little plug-and-play device. One is a receiver, one is a transmitter. These little cables here are the power for each of these things, which you'll see. And then all you do is you click a button from one, you click a button to the other. Once they're connected, they're HDMI. Both are HDMI, so it plugs into your laptop and the display port. And then you're off to the races. There's no software to download. There's nothing to install. It's completely secure. And it's virtually lag-free. It's instantaneous, as you'll see here in the footage. And the picture quality is amazing. It truly is casting 4K wirelessly from one device to the other one on a secured network and streaming it for everyone to see in the room. And you can interact with it in real time. You can use your mouse without a lot of delay. If you need to stream video content, it's an excellent solution. So if you're looking for a solution to a problem that nearly everybody has, then I really encourage you to check out this QuickCast Pro. It works just as well as it says, even better than we expected, to be quite honest. And it's something we're going to be using here internally. So if you have any questions about it, you want to learn more, come to the site, check it out, and give us a call. Thanks.